Hello, friends. Today we will discuss an important topic for various competitive exams, that is, gig economy and platform workers, their rights, wages, and growth potential. So, what is gig economy and platform workers? The economy refers to a labor market where jobs are temporary. Temporary jobs are found in gig markets. So jobs are temporary, flexible, and often mediated through digital platforms such as Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Amazon, Urban Company, and Fiverr. Workers in this economy are called platform workers or gig workers. So it is an important MCQ question also. So who are called platform workers or gig workers? So such temporary workers are known as gig workers with over 7.7 million gig workers in India, according to Niti Aayog 2022, projected to reach 23.5 million by 2030. The gig economy has become a crucial driver of jobs, innovations, and growth. However, it also raises concerns about job security, wages, and rights. Who are gig and platform workers? Now, question is that whom we call gig workers or platform workers. Gig worker, a person who engages in income earning activities outside traditional employer employee contracts, often short term and task based. Platform worker, a subset of gig workers who find jobs through digital platforms. For example, Swiggy delivery partner, Ola driver, freelancer on Upwork. Global and Indian examples of gig workers and platform workers. Global examples: Uber, based in USA, millions of drivers worldwide work as gig workers. Airbnb hosts, providing temporary accommodation through digital platforms. In India, Swiggy, Zomato delivery partners in food delivery, Ola Uber drivers in ride hailing, urban company professionals in home services, freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork offering digital services. Now, the issues and rights of gig workers. First is wages. Often, wages of gig workers are irregular, commission based, with low take home pay after fuel maintenance costs. Second is social security, no health insurance, pension, or accident cover in most cases. Third, job security, no permanent contracts. Workers can be deactivated anytime. Number four, working hours long, no overtime benefits. Five, collective bargaining. Gig workers are usually not allowed to unionize like traditional employees. Legal and policy framework in India for gig workers. Code on Social Security 2020 recognized gig and platform workers for the first time, provides provisions for social security funds, contributions from aggregators, platforms. Niti Aayog report 2022 recommended portable benefits like health, accident insurance, skill development, and minimum wages for gig workers. State initiatives: Rajasthan Platform Based Gig Workers Act 2023 in Rajasthan created a welfare board, mandatory registration of workers, and aggregator contributions for welfare. In Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, exploring similar frameworks. Growth potential of gig workers or gig economy in India. First, employment generation could create 23.5 million jobs by 2030, especially for youth. Second, flexibility allows workers to choose hours and tasks. Third, women's participation enables women to enter workforce via remote and flexible jobs. Fourth, innovation and entrepreneurship expands opportunities in logistics, e-commerce, and digital services. Fifth, boost to Digital India supports cashless economy, urban mobility, and doorstep services. Challenges of gig workers: absence of minimum wage guarantee, Second is over dependence on algorithmic ratings and penalties. Third, digital divide excludes rural workers. Exploitation risk due to weak bargaining power. So, way forward for them is legal protections, ensure minimum wages, job security, and social benefits. Welfare funds, contributions from platforms to provide insurance, pension, and health coverage. Skill development training for gig workers to transition into higher value jobs. Portable benefits workers should carry social security across platforms. Technology governance, transparency in algorithms for fair work allocation and pay. So it can be said that the gig economy in India is double-edged sword. It provides opportunities for millions but leaves them vulnerable without social security. For India to reach its full growth potential, gig workers must be recognized as an essential part of the workforce with guaranteed rights, fair wages, and protections.